Hey everyone, my name is John Long. So today I'm gonna talk about the plastic molding process. The plastic extruder is the representation of this type of technology in a museum. The plastic molding technology is widely used in our society, and the best example for this type of technology in modern life is the 3D printer. Well, for 3D printer is always used for create some of the really tiny component from machines. Also, uh, also, also it can produce some like bottle or cup, but it cannot produce some of really large component for all of the machines. So and that's only for model that's only used as the model of some really large component. So for the advantage of the 3D printer is the 3D printer can produce more complicated accuracy plastic model to us. Also, it can produce more different type of model than other injection molding machines. Well, the plastic is a new materials in modern society. This type of solid materials is not only lighter than metals, it is also flexible than other type of solid materials. In next 20 years, the plastic molding technology will be majority way to form the solid materials, which is because of the plastic become the main solid materials and represent other type of the solid in from the future. The article How Plastics Are Made and What You Need to Know About Them in the site called Creative Mechanism. The plastic is a synthetic materials that originally derived from organic products such as hydrocarbon fuels. That means the plastic waste will be possible to become the new energy in the future. In addition, the article talked about the plastic is widely used in our life, which means we cannot away from this type of materials right now. So this article was from July 22nd, 2015, which means the information is still new. Also, the text related to the topics that try to prove because the article illustrate the materials of plastic, which made me find out some renewable energy from the plastic. From the article called When the Mermaids Cry, the Great Plastic Tide, which is published by the organization called Coastal Care. The author shows the example about the illness of marine organisms that caused by plastic waste, and people who settle nearby sea always leave some plastic bag in the water, which cause this organism eat this plastic production by mistake. In addition, when some fishermen have this organism, that will influence their health. For the authority of this article, we can contact to this organization by Facebook and message to ask them some of the questions. Also, the main purpose of this organization to create this website is educational purpose, which can affect more people to understand the side effect of the oceanic pollution. Generally, the hydrocarbon fuels are original materials in plastic, which means the natural gas can be extracted from the plastic. Also, the natural gas can be used as a clean fuel of vehicles. But the waste of the plastic production will also produce some of the pollution to the environment. So totally, the plastic molding technology should be used in the environmental protection department And the government should encourage people to separate the plastic as one type of rubbish so that all plastic can be collected as the recyclable materials for reshape some new plastic production so that people can reuse that. Also, it is possible to extract some fuel from the waste materials after molding. My prediction is this type of technology will reserve some of the clean energy for the vehicles. But the most serious problem for that is the waste of the plastic will gonna pollute the water and soil.